Hey everyone. In today's video, we're going to take a look at some properties of exponents that have common bases. So the first property we have here is multiplication. When you're multiplying exponents that have a common base, you're really just adding those exponents together and keeping the base the same. So looking at the example we have, notice again they have common bases 3 and 3. So it's 3 to the second times 3 to the third, in which case you will be adding the exponents. So it would be 3 to the 2 plus 3, and that would give us 3 to the 5th. Now this form here is called your exponential form. Okay, you can also write this in what you would call an expanded form, in which case you would actually expand your exponent. Okay, so 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 5 times, and that's what you would call the expanded form. All right, moving on. Next thing we have is the division property for exponents, again with common bases. In this case, what you're doing is you're subtracting the numerator exponent minus the denominator exponent. The order does matter, it's always top minus bottom. So we have 12, and then our exponent is going to be 5 minus 3. And again, 12 to the second would be the answer. We'll leave that in our exponent form, 12 to the second, no need to write that in the expanded form. Okay, we also have the possibility of having negative exponents. In most final answers, you're not going to want negative exponents, you'll want all positives. So I can rewrite this using its reciprocal and keeping the base the same, so it would be 1 over 3 squared. Again, we could evaluate these, but we're just leaving them in exponent form for now. And finally, we have the power of exponents, so that's taking an exponent and raising it to another exponent. Now in this case, what you're doing is you're multiplying your inside exponent times your outside exponent. So it's going to be 2, and then our exponent is going to be 2 times 3. So this will be 2 to the 6th power. And we'll leave that as our exponent form. All right, so those are all the basic properties of exponents that have a common base. There's slightly different rules if they have different bases, but we'll cover that in another video. All right, again, these were all the properties that had the like bases.